So we're going to look at the Microsoft Azure Cloud, and in this tutorial we'll set up a very basic web service. Okay, so the first thing we do is to log in. Okay, so we're going to set up a website. And let's just go for a quick start. So this will be billbuchanan.azurewebsites.net. So let's create that. Okay, so it just takes a little minute to create, and what we'll do is in Visual Studio we'll just start up our basic website. And MVC is an excellent web application, but in this case we'll just set up a simple ASPX page. Creates it for us. Default.aspx is the home file, default home. So we'll just modify this a little bit. Okay, sometimes it's easier just to do the HTML. Okay, and there's two tabs on this page. Details, and we'll create a list here. Okay, so that'll do, and so we have our site master, which gives us the basic templates for everything that we're doing. Okay, there's a login at the top, and here are the two pages that are called. So I could call that my home. And that's what appears on the buttons. And we should see there is a single style sheet here, which relates to all the pages that are based on this template. So there we go. So if we wanted a different setting, so let's go for a heading of blue, say. Okay, I'll just change that. There we go. Save. Then we just run that just to see if everything's okay. So it sets up the server for us, and everything's good about that. Yep, that looks to be good. Okay. So we'll use FTP as our deployment, and so we'll go to publish, and we'll use FTP. So we click on our site, and here is the FTP details that we need to put in. There's the name of our host. There's the username, and whatever the password was that we've set up. Right, so just have a look at how it's set up. Okay, so we can see we have sites. Let's try again. We have site, and then we have www root. Okay, so that gives us our root, which is site and www root. So here we will put in /site /www root, and then we'll publish that. I think we have the username. Set OK. Okay, we're using passive FTP, hopefully. And we've just got to sit and wait until it's published. Okay. Another way of doing this is to set up a Team Foundation server, which is an excellent way to upload the code into the cloud and then for it to deploy from the cloud. It's a good way to keep version control on our code too. Okay, so it should just take a little minute. Once it's set up, then this should be our URL that we use for our cloud service. So you can see it's a very convenient way to set up websites quickly. Okay, so that's us set up now. We'll just go there. And there we go. Okay, so we're now running in the cloud. Works fine. And all based on our simple piece of code. Whenever we have any updates, we obviously just republish it and it will appear in the cloud.